What is up, guys? JG-Pyro coming at you with another demo video today. We have Pheasant Hunt by Realtree, which is a sub-brand of Spirit of 76. This is a 200 gram 16 shot cake. And on this cake, let's see, we do have a QR code there. And that performance is written so small, I don't have to use my camera to see the dang thing. So it says, hunt down color, tail to break with strobe, spinners to crackle, and a red-blue crackle finale. So, never tried this brand before, but see these tubes look like. It looks pretty standard for a 24-1 pack 200 gram cake. So, it's on the smaller side. And just about, yeah, just kind of your standard brick of small diameter tubes, probably ½ inch or maybe slightly less on these. So you never really know with these small cakes. Sometimes they hit a lot harder than you expect. Other times, not so much. But let's take this thing out to the field, see how it looks, and let me know what you think.